In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lightboxes pop-ups in Wix. Lightboxes, also known as pop-ups, are great for highlighting announcements, sign-up forms, or special offers. I'll walk you through adding one to your site and show you exactly where to find it again if you want to make changes later. Start in the Wix editor. At the top left, click the plus icon, which opens the Add panel. From there, go to Layout Tools. In that section, you'll see an option for pop-ups or lightboxes, depending on your version of the editor. Open that, then browse the available designs. Choose a style that fits your goal, whether it's a newsletter sign-up, a promo, or a simple message, and click to add it to your site. The lightbox will appear on your canvas, usually centered with the page dimmed behind it. Now you can start editing. Click any element inside the pop-up to customize it. Replace the text with your message, update fonts and colors to match your brand, and swap images or icons if the template includes them. If your design has a button, adjust the label and link so it leads visitors to the right page or action. You can also tweak the overlay by changing its color or transparency to make the pop-up more subtle or more eye-catching. Adjust the size and position so it's comfortable on the screen, and consider the entry animation if you want a gentle fade or slide. Keep the close button easy to see, and keep your message short and clear so visitors aren't overwhelmed. When you're happy with the look and settings, click Done to save your changes and exit the Lightbox editing mode. If you want to revisit your pop-up later, it's easy. On the left side of the editor, open the Pages panel. In that list, you'll find a dedicated section for lightboxes or pop-ups. Locate the one you created, click it to open it on the canvas, and make any updates you need, text tweaks, design refinements, or button changes. When you're finished, click Done again to save. And that's all. You've added a lightbox, customized it to fit your site, and you know exactly where to find it again for quick edits. Use this to share important messages at the right moment, keep the design simple and on brand, and make sure the close option is always clear so visitors have a smooth experience.